Good morning, Verbling community. My name is Andy Chang. I hail from the east coast of the United States, and as you can tell, English is my native language, but if you look at me, I'm full-blood Chinese. My dad is born in Shanghai and grew up in Taiwan, and my mom is from Hong Kong, so growing up as a child, I went to Chinese school, which I kind of hated at the time because it meant I had to go to school on a sixth day of the week for 2 to 3 hours. And it wasn't until I became an adult that I really appreciated looking back that my parents had me learn Chinese. So my dad spoke Mandarin, that was his native language, and then my mom spoke Cantonese. So when they first met, they met in the States. They were both in school in Seattle. And they actually had to use a lot of English to communicate because Dad did not know Cantonese. To this day, he has not learned it very well. But I grew up learning a little bit of both. So in looking at Verbling, I noticed that nobody is teaching Cantonese. Now the thing about Cantonese is it's a very colloquial language. Very few people learn it to be able to read and write. You would probably do formal Chinese study if that's what you're going for. Most people learn Cantonese to be able to speak, to be able to listen, to be able to use it on the streets, as it will. And so that's kind of my goal here is if you're going to Hong Kong, if you want to know enough Cantonese to be able to communicate with people, to be able to understand, I'd love to work with you and just tell me what your goals are, what you're learning it for, whether you're a student looking to travel, whether you're a business professional seeking to use it as part of your business. So let me work with you. It'll be fun. We'll have time talking through it together. And maybe even integrating, Mandarin into it also, because in China, the writing system actually is the same writing system. So whether you're doing one dialect or another. But anyway, I just wanted to introduce myself and get on board, and hopefully some of you there are looking to pick up Cantonese, which is I believe it's the second most popular dialect in China. So thank you very much.